Drafting. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of officials. It should not be referred as a guideline of government. In case of any variance in this training material, the government guidelines, rules, laws shall. Draft. A draft means a rough copy of the document that is currently being prepared. Drafting means composing of official communications of all the notes or orders to be issued after approval by the officer concerned. These drafts are usually held for feedback and reviews. Drafts should carry the exact messages sought to be conveyed, should be clear, concise, and incapable of misconstruction, should result in the desired response from the received, should be divided into proper paragraphs according to the logical sequence or orders of ideas expressed in the draft, should contain references to previous correspondence if any, avoid lengthy sentences and abruptness, repetition of words, observations or ideas, offending discourteous language. Checklist. A draft should indicate the following: file number, the designation and complete postal address of the sender and receiver, subject of the communication, number and date of last communication, the enclosures which are to be accompany the fair copy, urgency grading by register post or special messenger, the name, designation, telephone number, fax number and email of the officer over whose signature the communication is to be issued should invariably be indicated on the draft. In writing or typing a draft, sufficient space should be left for the margin and between successive lines to admit additions or interpolation of words if necessary. A slip bearing the words "draft for approval" should be attached to the draft. If two or more drafts are put up on a file, the drafts as well as the slip attached thereto will be marked as DFA1, DFA2, DFA3 and so on. Drafts which are to issue as immediate or priority will be so marked under the orders of an officer not below the rank of section officer. Procedure for drafting. There is no need to prepare any draft for those matters which are simple and straight or repetitive in nature, for which standard forms of communication exist. In such cases, the clean copy should be submitted for signature only. It is not always necessary to wait for the approval of the proposed line of action, and the note will be drafted simultaneously by the drafting level officer. The higher officer may modify the draft if it does not conform to the approved course of action. After the final decision has been taken by the competent authority, his signature will be taken and the case will be considered as authorized. Otherwise, a draft will be prepared and presented to the appropriate higher officer for approval. The officer approving the draft shall put his initials. He is also expected to pass the order on file simultaneously, which holds the accepted draft. Also, have a fair copy for the office record. Initial drafting will be done in blank or blue ink. At later levels, amendments to the draft can be made by the authorities in green or red ink so that the improvements made can be viewed. The references whose examples we have taken in preparing this video are shown on the screen, and we are thankful to them. In this video, we have learned about drafting. If you have any doubts or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail shown on the screen. For other videos on government business, please visit the website shown on the screen. Thank you.